In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new email account in cPanel through your customer portal. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments to complete. If you're setting up a professional email address for your website or business, this is where it begins. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and make sure everything is set up correctly. To get started, sign in to your customer portal and open the hosting or account area where you can access your cPanel dashboard. From there, enter cPanel so you can manage the tools connected to your hosting account. cPanel is the control panel where you handle important features like files, domains, databases, and of course, email. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the email section. This area contains the settings and tools used to manage your email services. In that section, select Email Accounts. This will take you to the page where you can view existing mailboxes and create new ones for your domain. On the Email Accounts page, click the Create button to begin setting up a new email address. You'll then be asked to enter the details for the account you want to add. Start by entering your preferred username. This will be the part that appears before the @ symbol in your email address. For example, you might choose something like contact, support, sales, or any name that fits the purpose of the mailbox. Make sure it's clear and appropriate for how you plan to use the account. Next, generate a secure password. This is very important because email accounts can contain sensitive messages and login information. A strong password should be difficult to guess and unique to this account. If your system offers a password generator, it's a good idea to use it, since that usually creates a much more secure password than something typed manually. Be sure to save the password somewhere safe so you can use it later when logging in on your devices or email apps. After that, set your storage limit. This determines how much space the mailbox can use for emails and attachments. You can choose a limit based on the needs of that account. For example, a general contact inbox may need more space if it receives frequent messages or large files. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Your new email account will then be added to the list and ready for use, and that's it. You've successfully created a new email account in cPanel through your customer portal.